everyone, welcome back to Webcom Design's video tutorial guide. In this video we will discuss about another free plugin, that is BuddyPress Log Private Community. It also has a pro version. You can go through that and check the difference between free and pro. You can download the plugin from the sales page of the plugin by hitting on the pre-purchase button available on our site. Changelog link and documentation link is also available on the same sales page. You can go through the documentation. It will help you where you will find the plugin features and what are the features inside the free version. So once you download the plugin from here, you can upload it inside the WordPress plugin section by hitting on add new plugin, and you will find the plugin setting inside the WP plugin section. So what this plugin does, it logs the BuddyPress components and pages for logged.users and make your website private, community private. So currently you can see logged.user can access the BuddyPress components, activity, members, member profile and groups. So we will now log the BuddyPress components and hit on save button, and you can now check that the page is now restricted for only logged in members. This is a default form, login and registration form provided by the plugin. There is option, you can either choose the plugin's template, or you can use the third-party plugin shortcode, or you can redirect user to some other page. Like I have not. Now I have chosen BuddyPress, the plugin default login form. Now I'll move forward and select redirect option, and I want my users to redirect to the shop page. So we check the BuddyPress pages now. They will be redirected to the shop page instead of remaining on the community page. Next, you can also log the WordPress pages. We'll enable the pages option and we can select the pages here. If I log the shop page and the log page. So now the shop page is logged for logged out user, and also the blog page. I've selected both pages. So this is all about the free version of private community plugin. You will find the link for the pro version inside the caption, and if you have any queries, please drop a comment below. You can also reach us via support available on our website. So bye for now.